What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel, and I want to start by saying thank you so much, and I really appreciate all the support that you guys been showing to the channel. I'm really sorry my hands are a little dirty because I've been working on the brakes. I just paint them, and we got this thing running last night, and we set them up the timing on the cast, and also right here on the throttle body process on the TPS. Right here on the TPS, we measure the bolts and the ohms on that thing. So I'm gonna leave that for another video. Like I say, I really appreciate all the support, all the comments, all of you guys who helped me with this build, Oscar and some of the guys up there. I already have the Facebook link on the description from the last videos. I really appreciate all the help. I really appreciate everybody who's been subscribing to the channel. I really appreciate that the channel is growing up every day, and that is good. We're trying to share a lot of stuff on this car. This thing is coming pretty rare now, like I say on the other videos, and it's crazy. And please do not part them out. Please do not sell it as a part, like part them out. Especially if there is a twin turbo Z, please do not do that mistake. I'm pretty sure there is a lot of people who want to bring it back to life, and especially I know it's really expensive now. You can put it out the NA if you want to, but the twin turbo, please do not do that. And if you have a twin turbo, I will definitely recommend not to do the swap on the twin turbo chassis. This advice, there is something that I want to tell you guys. Please do not do not do a swap on a twin turbo chassis. If you have a twin turbo chassis, please let me know. I'm gonna come get it, because I want to put as many as many twin turbos here on the road. And if you want to do a swap on a 300C, please do it on NA chassis. Do not do it on a twin turbo chassis, because you do a LS swap. If you're gonna keep it, that's perfect, that's good. But also you can do that on the same thing on the NA chassis, and you're not gonna have any problem. But if you do the LS swap or SR swap or any swap if you do a 2JZ, that's perfect. RB26, that's perfect, that's great. But as you already know, twin turbo chassis, there is not too many out there anymore, and that's pretty sad. That's pretty sad, because everybody's parting them out or doing a swap. That's pretty sad, because there's gonna be a point where everybody's gonna have NA, and it's gonna be a TT swap or any other swap. So please do not do that. Just if you want to do a swap on your TT chassis, just sell it and buy NA and do the swap on it, because this coming like a classic car now. Don't get me wrong, any swap on the 300, they're perfect, but if there were 1,000 300CX with a twin turbo chassis, probably right now there's only 500. Let's say just like those numbers. They're not the right number, but just let's say that. And then there's gonna be the point where all of them is gonna be already like swap on it. If you do a expensive swap like a 2JC swap or RB26 swap, that's pretty cool. But you also can do that on the NA chassis. Why is that? Because I am the kind of person that I'm not gonna buy a NA chassis with a TT swap on it. For some reason, I don't know, it's just me probably, but I don't feel comfortable buying that. I don't know why. I'm probably picky or whatever you want to call it, asshole, stupid, idiot, or whatever. But I don't think that sounds good when you buy a 300CX and you be like, oh, there's a twin turbo. Yeah, it's been swapped, and everybody lose the interest on it. For some reason, everybody lose the interest on it, because I don't know, probably because it's been touched or something. But please do not do that mistake on a twin turbo chassis. Do not part them out. Do not part it out. let me know. I'm probably gonna buy it. Alright guys, that's something that I really want to say to you guys, because this thing is becoming pretty rare. And if you have one, congratulations, because you have a fucking, what's it called, you have a pressure, you have a treasure right there with you on your hands. And please do not do that. Help us out. Bring him back all the 300 CX Twin Turbo back alive. They're gonna become way more. They're gonna become more rare the next year. I'm pretty sure.